searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. take it slow.
Oh yeah. Don't worry. Dude, just one pull the trigger, I got this out.
Rip, have you figured out how to do this without all us getting trampled?
Best we came up with, sir, is like, fuck it, you know? Let's get up there as fast as we can and just chase some bitches down the mountain.
Fuck it. That's your plan too, Bucket?
Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Hey, I just did was took this off, took these out, put these on, put the chain on, put that like that. Huh? The butts. Yeah, that's how I'm thinking too. I think you took my parts. It basically screwed me over.
Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Make that beat.
Ah, finally got the chain on. You okay? Sure, because you normally talk. Huh? What's that?
Choppers, better took those risks. Cold blood on my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks. Rise.
The fuck? Huh? Like, what? Like, I don't know doing this. I put it. Here, you figure it out.
Got no feelings, we just flowing. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Good question. Oh, wait, I can't ask for Mike because he's went home. Oh, that's right. He looked out of it too. It was like.
As we fly above the stars, the night won't scare us falling. So rise up. I'm too great to be landed. Rise up. We're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us. Fly by them like choppers. Better took those risks. Cold blood on my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks. Rise.
Got it. I just need to get these in. So I'm gonna turn this way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Turn that way, then turn the other. Then do the same with this side. Yeah, because look, it's on here like this. I don't want it on here like this. It's at home. I left it at home on accident because I was touching the battery overnight. Why'd you leave it right at home?
Cause I'm taking the world you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
He didn't want to grab. What the fuck? Like, look. does it do that? Oh, yeah, I got it. This and
You make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more and more again and again.
yeah, that's what I have to do. Why don't you work on your engine? Again? Why? Why is that big? So it makes your engine fucked. As I say, like, I can begin the final.
Make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more and more again and again. Hey, you make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more and more again and again.
Oh, if you want to help me with this, I can use the help. If you want to help me with this, I can use the help. Hold it. Fuck. This one different. This is Get that back. Hose. Yeah, it's over there. You get the hose from over there too.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
That.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
That won't work, but I'll just put it in. Call it a fucking day. That should work for now. Alright, at the front. That's right. That'll work, did it? You took bolts. Yeah. Because I only have this one and this one to hold this in place and push this one. You took all your refrigeration. Yep. And we put all the plastic bags we have. Except these. This is all we have left. Hold on.
These are not mine.
What are they? Oh, sweet bolts.
Open eye.
These look like they just work.
Feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Yeah, I wish I had my the ratchet, my electric ratchet. Before you know it, all these would be on. But no, I had to forget them in my. Oh. Hey, cow.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the stars, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Have you heard or seen it from Adam? No. Which is weird. They need a full box, right?
I'm stable, no label, you know me. I have it only, but that's the lonely. But damn, I'm going, no fake
down there anymore.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, I'm stable, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Yeah, one more actual week and then finals.
Yeah, that's what reminds me. I had to do one
Did
thing.
you say anything this morning?
Yeah, let's go.
Nope.
I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get the stronger. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hear me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive.
If I had my thing, I would probably put the name back together.
One day I'll have what I want in life.
Because all I have left to do is these. Just put the tops on, of course those, but I'm just gonna put them on, put it back together fully. Then I just blame Adam. Like, do you have them for any other classes? Yeah. Huh? He wasn't. I know it's not crazy. He told Mike that he was gonna be here Monday. He's feeling out. Have I ever seen him? I'm like, dude, like, I am not gonna be putting up your lies. You would tell me where my fucking parts went. Alright. You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that. Oh, you have to be the one that saves me. And I wanna feel love, know you feel the same way. We'll feel it like a glove when you're sleeping late. Ain't nobody gonna come in between us today. You're the one I want, and I'm really yeah. Keep your head up, let up. We gon' make it through it, get up. Take a breath, yeah. Don't know what we're doing yet, but when I met ya, I knew that I won't regret ya.